Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to find Temu coupon codes in 2026. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're looking for Temu coupon codes here that you could use or start using inside the app, well, there are a few places that you may want to check. Now, first option or first thing that you may want to check here is going to be your coupons inside directly in the app. So sometimes they do offer coupons that you could basically claim here. So you want to go to the U tab inside the app here, click on coupons and offer, and you should see the claim button next to the coupon that you can actually claim. Now, in this case, you could also enter a coupon code at the very top here and click on apply if you want to use or start using those coupons. Now, what if you want to look outside the platform? Well, there are multiple sources out there. So you want to open up any browser here, just type in Temu coupon codes, and you should be able to see a number of options. Now, the thing with Temu coupon codes, they're pretty much everywhere here, but it is highly recommended that you search in your local area. Like, for example, checking your local news outlet in your region, because coupons are region specific. Some coupons or coupon codes may not work on certain regions, but in here you should see, like, for example, a news outlet here, and also Groupon is another platform that you may want to check, and even Reddit here is a great place for you to look for certain in this case certain coupons that you could use. Now, in this case, you want to go open up one of the following options here, and you should be able to see the post, and from here it's going to give you different codes that you could use in here, like discount 777, and use or start using that into your account, like what I've shown you before. Like, just enter the coupon code and click on apply. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.